Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to use Warehouse Plus. In this tutorial, we will be going through a step-by-step guide on how to use the stock adjustment feature. This Warehouse Plus feature lets you adjust your stock levels whenever and wherever you want, all by your mobile device. You can find the stock adjustment feature underneath the stock icon. With the stock adjustment function, you are able to change your stock levels at any time you wish. In our example, we searched for Coke. So our product has shown up, and right next to it, you can see the current stock level and the update level, where we type in a quantity and then select update to completely change the stock level. To check whether or not it has been adjusted, you can go to the product availability feature. Over here, you can search for your product to see if the stock levels have been updated. That is all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave in the comments below or give us an email, and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible to answer any of your queries. I'll catch you in the next video.